So here I am on a lead and I need to send an email to this gentleman, right? I am going to basically look at this lead. It's just an inquiry that came in. Let's assume for a minute that we manufacture specialty glass or some sort of industrial materials, right? And this lead filled a lead form and they're like, hey, we are looking for some sort of a specialized toughened glass because we want to put it in submarines. Now, this is a lead that comes to a sales guy. And today what happens is I'm going to have to manually type an email for this, right? What I'm going to show you is how generative AI can be applied. So this little thing here is what we built. And the idea is you can pick a prompt here. So I'll just ask AI to draft me an email. And what we are doing now is that we are going to extract information out of this lead and any other related records, parent, child, grandchild, whatever. So activities related with it. If I'm on case comments, if I'm in account related opportunities, cases, case comments, tasks, whatever standard custom objects, all of that. And so what we have done here is we've pulled all this information, passed it through a trust layer, masked out stuff that we needed to mask, send it to AI. And this is the response that AI gave us back. So what you're looking at here is completely AI generated response. There are a few things that are interesting. Here you can see that it is, addressed to this person and it has the context. It knows, hey, you're looking for this. And so we've added all that stuff. That's great, but I don't like AI generated emails. I wanted to have my context. It needs to be a Saurabh email, right? It needs to be an email from the people who are actually to send it. And I have some specific things I want to add. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say, hey, for this customer, for this prospect, let them know our glass is used by some really big names, by NASA, ONGC, somebody else, and also ask for a meeting on Wednesday at 3 p.m. And now what I'm doing is now I'm able to click on this and essentially you're able to pull all the information from the lead, take this information in addition, and basically I'm doing a little bit of prompt injection. And so now your generative AI gets additional information along with this data. And what it can do is it can start to actually craft an email that is extremely specific, right? So it has all the information that we talked about here. It is also weaved in the comment that I made earlier around asking for a meeting. And two, in terms of how you can leverage it, not only to do some generic run of the mill packaged, write and email stuff, but also with the end user's input.